Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very crucial topic in these times. That is, what are the preventions of the new coronavirus? What is the new coronavirus? Coronavirus is a general term for a very common type of virus that exists widely in nature. 2019 novel coronavirus from Wuhan is a new type of coronavirus that mainly causes the infection in the respiratory tract. On January 28, the National Health and the Health Commission included pneumonia infected with the new coronavirus as the Class B infectious disease and managed it as a Class A. At the same time, it included the quarantine infectious disease stipulated in the People's Republic of China's Frontier Health and Quarantine Law. What are the sources of infection? The sources of infection seen so far are mainly the patients with pneumonia infected by the new coronavirus. What are the ways of spreading? The ways of spreading is just by the respiratory droplets. Susceptible people. The population is generally susceptible. The elderly and those with underlying diseases are more severely infected, and the children and the infants are also infected. The incubation period of the new coronavirus disease is generally 3 to 7 days with a maximum of 14 days. The current study found that the most patients are mild to mild with a good prognosis. The proportion of severe illness and death is low, and their transmission and pathogenicity are currently lower than the SARS epidemic in 2003. Human symptoms after the coronavirus infection. Common cold versus new pneumonia. The common cold. Most patients have mild symptoms and generally do not cause pneumonia. Influenza can cause high fever, cough, sore throat, muscle pain, etc. The new pneumonia. The symptoms of the patients are mainly fever, fatigue, and dry cough. Some patients have no fever symptoms and may experience chest tightness and dyspnea. How to tell if you have a fever? The outbreak judgment. Over 37.3% in the calm state. Note: 20-30 minutes before the measurement, avoid strenuous activities, eating, drinking cold or hot compresses, and ensure that the armpits are dry. What are the ways of the personal protection? Ordinary cotton yarn mask, medical surgical mask, medical protective masks. These are the different types of masks which you can use. The correct steps to wear a mask. How to remove the mask? Do not touch the front side of the mask, as it is the polluted surface. Unfasten the lower strap first, then untie the upper strap. Hold the mask straps with your fingers and throw it into the medical waste container. Wash your hands immediately after removing the mask. Cover your nose and mouth with disposable paper towels and handkerchief. Throw the used paper towels into a covered trash bin and wash your hands immediately in time. The handkerchief can be taken home for cleaning. Avoid the contact with the wildlife. Try to avoid the contact with the wild animals. Do not prey, sell, biking. Especially especially rodents such as bats and marmots. Avoid going to the public places. This is the most important way of the personal protection. Try to avoid going to the crowded places. Go to a public place and wear a mask. Prevention starts with me. Thank you.